Okay, so the update for this white guitar, which is the purpose really of this video. This is one of the guitars that I painted with spray cans, or rattle cans as some people like to call them. And it literally was this. And you'll see from the B-roll that the paint is held up very well actually. And it's not like the guitar's been in a case all this time. I've actually played this and I must have done over 100 gigs with this guitar. The Les Trem 2 that you see I fitted recently. So that's why that looks a bit more shiny than the rest of the gold hardware. In general, if it's something that you want to do, please don't be afraid to give it a go. It's fairly long lasting, it's durable, and of course it depends how you treat the guitar, obviously. But I tend to look after my stuff, so that's why it still looks pretty new in that sense, and it probably will for the next 5 years, 10 years, easy. So yeah, you can go ahead and give that a go. I'll also be doing a video on my other guitar, which you might have seen on the Facebook website, and we'll talk about that in another video. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Please subscribe.